That's right, folks. It's the Vagrant's Valet, and today we are out on the streets looking for homeless people to give rides to. You know what we're doing? We're providing transportation to our unhoused population. You bet we are. And if you ever happen to hear, "Hey man, you want a ride?" Well, then it just might be me. That's right. So now, let's get out on the streets and let's get to work. Hey man, you want a ride? Huh? You want a ride? You want a lift? I can give you a ride. Yeah, I'll turn around for you, brother.
Thank you.
Hop on in. Yeah, take your time there. Get your survival kit in here and everything.
Yeah.
All right. What do you have going on today?
Healing or helping hands. Someone stole my clothes and
Oh, no.
most of my scooter. They wiped me down while I was gone for a day. And
They ripped off your scooter? I'll just get turned around
yeah,
here.
fine. I worked hard for that thing.
What'd you have, like one of those little 50 cc's?
No, I have a Lime and VO scooter. I worked for the Lime Scooter Company before they went to a two-man crew, and I bought my own scooter. And it's that's life or death. Well, being mobile is around. Instead of walking everywhere and doing one or two things a day, I can get multiple things done. Because walking across town is kind of.
Yeah. What's your name, please?
Oh, I'm Drew.
Drew.
Yep.
You know what? I had a Tao scooter, one of those 50s.
Yeah.
When I first got into town, and I'll tell you what, you can zip around on those things pretty good.
I can get somewhere faster on a scooter than most
Yeah.
people in their cars. Yeah.
Yeah. You know, like you see the old dude on the scooter, that was me. But you can even ride them in the winter. Except I always had to have like a motorcycle helmet with like the face shield on there.
Get some knobby tires, but there's a point where when it gets so cold, it just shocks your body. But I'm good at layering up in the country, so I'm used to it.
Yeah, well, I could make it about 3 miles, and then I'd have to go like warm up in the gas station.
Yeah.
And I was working over at Fine Print up here on the hill at the time. But I had a couple of those scooters. I'm sorry to hear yours got ripped off.
Yeah.
What kind was it?
It was it's Segway 9-bot.
But was it 50 cc's?
No, it's just electric.
I see.
I'm a pure electric guy. I don't use gas. I don't use gas, and just the bigger scooters I don't like. I like the little T-bar, like the Lime and VO stand-up scooters. I like them. I'm comfortable on them.
You like those electric cars too?
I do.
Well, what do you like about them? They're kind of controversial.
It's going to take time for the technology to get there, really. I mean, solar, coming along, but electric is the same since Tesla, but our dependency on foreign oil and whatever helps everybody out.
Hey, I agree with that. Yeah. It's like if you want to start an argument, start talking about those switching over to solar and wind versus oil.
Yeah.
People get worked up about that. Oh boy!
I'm from a small town where like the wind farm was a big thing where I'm from.
Where are you from?
I'm from Johnson County, Edinburgh.
Edinburgh?
Yep.
Indiana?
Yeah.
Was that south of here?
Yeah, south, like Columbus, right?
Oh, Columbus.
About 30 miles south of Greenwood.
Well, that's God's country, isn't it? There ain't nobody feeling no pain.
No, I think everywhere's God's country. I think there's just as many good people here as there isn't anywhere.
Well, I'll tell you what. They say that the land of milk and honey is in the Middle East, but I think the land between the Ohio River and Lake Michigan here is the promised land. Because we've got glorious cornfields, we've got big fat cows, we've got the farmers all have expensive SUVs in their driveway.
Well, that's so ridiculous how it is now. But we grew up beans, corn, no-till. I grew up in the dairy farm area, so that's used my life right here.
Did you ever bale hay? You have. That's some hard work, man. You gotta. It's the thing.
Outside.
So are you living on the streets, or what do you have going on?
We're going through a bad divorce.
I'm sorry to hear that.
So I just went from Johnson County to Edinburgh, kind of lost myself in the homeless community. Just became one. And
Well, where are you sleeping? Are you over at the mission, or
no, I won't. The mission just, it's sad.
what is it? A big freak show there?
It's not just a freak show. It's just the understaffed, undereducated people. The people there are in limbo. The insurance companies don't want them. Nobody else can. They can't afford it. So the best place for someone to go is there, and they're just ill-equipped. They do good work.
Yeah,
Wheeler missions is good, but Shalom and there's a lot of good people. Bill Ferry and so many people at community kitchens. I just love them ladies. Can't talk good. We need a million more of those people.
Yeah, they do a good job at the community kitchen. They don't just give you a bowl of like meatless spaghetti. There's good food over there. Right. So it sounds like you're taking advantage of the resources around here. That's what they're here for.
I am, but to a point where about 3/4 of what I get, I give away. So I cut my nose off, spite my face. That's my own type of problem.
Well, it ain't what you got, it's what you give, right?
No, didn't God or Jesus say something about, hey, God told him, hey, don't give your coat away, dumbass. Basically, you need that coat. You can't survive, but yeah, it's just the right thing to do. It's what you feel. So.
Yeah. All right, if you see me on the street, wave, flag me down, I'll help you out.
You have more than anybody, man. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
Well, I appreciate you. Look for me. I'm always out on the street. If there's anything I can do for you, you need a ride, I can help you fill out paperwork for the rapid rehousing, any of that kind of thing.
Yeah.
Okay?
I'm great. So the best thing you can do for me is just help somebody else.
Right on, brother. Right on.
Right.
You made my day.
Well, I'm glad.
All right. All right, you take care and don't sleep outside.
Man, sorry, I'm not bad.
Okay, see ya. Well, look at that there. He did make my day. There's a guy that's got a lot of problems, and obviously he's had a lot of real setbacks in his life, but he's got a bright, sunny personality, and for that, you know what I say? I say ding, ding.
What's up?
You need a lift? I can give you a ride if you want.
Oh, no, it's all right. I'm going right here to the gas station. I just live right here.
Oh, okay. You having a good day?
Yeah.
All right, see ya. Hey there, that looks kind of heavy. You need a ride?
No, I'm pretty good. Thank you.
Okay. All right, you have a great day.
Yeah, you too.
And you need a lift? I can give you a ride if you want.
I'm good, thank you.
All right, okay, have a good day.